Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Stevia is a 100% natural sweetener that is 300 times sweeter than refined sugar. Did you know that? I'm sure you've heard that processed sugar isn't good for your health. That's because it loses all of its nutrients during processing, and all that's left at the end of processing are calories and carbohydrates. According to a study conducted by the University of Missouri-Columbia, USA, reducing the consumption of simple sugars is essential for maintaining good health. Therefore, healthier alternatives are recommended, such as natural sweeteners, and stevia is one of them. Stevia isn't only sweeter than sugar, but also helps control blood sugar levels, lowers blood pressure, improves digestion, reduces water retention, contributes to oral health, and has no calories. Cool, right? Learn how to make liquid stevia sweetener at home here. Cut the stevia leaves, wash them well, and let them dry in the sun for a few days. After they're dry, put them in a glass jar and pour vodka over them. The vodka has less flavor and therefore won't affect the quality of the final product. Keep the covered bottle in a dark place for at least 24 to 36 hours. After this time, strain the leaves to separate the extract. Pour the liquid from the stevia leaves into a pot and heat on medium to low heat. Boil for 30 minutes until a syrup is formed. During this process, the alcohol in the vodka will evaporate. Transfer to a dark, sterilized glass jar. Store in the refrigerator for up to 3 months and use as needed to prepare recipes. You can use the liquid stevia sweetener in drinks like coffee, tea, and juices. Take it gradually because of its intense flavor. It's also recommended to consume it in moderation and not in excess. So, did you like to know how to make your own liquid stevia sweetener? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.